Alright. I'll post it on YouTube right after. There's my newts. That was the.
Are they all sold?
Yes, they are, Ruger.
Just right.
Did you see that? I haven't done that yet, have I?
What?
I haven't ripped a box open yet.
Forgot my 12 teams.
He forgot his.
Dan FG.
Who?
Let's fucking go. Manutes forgot his teams.
Titans, Falcons, Lions, Ravens, Giants,
I
Ravens.
know, I got Spurs.
And Spurs.
Oh, yeah.
He took the Spurs.
Forgot that one. Sorry.
I don't know how many Wimbies we're gonna hit, but it's gonna be a bunch.
We'll try.
And I just realized I still have it on this box, and I'm gonna take it off right after this one. Darnell Washington. Fuck.
There you go, Douglas.
Fuck. There you go, Douglas. That I was still sitting up on this box.
He wasn't all CJ Stroud out.
They're not all out. There's one. Can we have him behind it? Oh, that would have been so close.
Let's go. Lots of those. With colour.
Lots of those with color. I think there's a base stuck to this one. Yeah. Just a Herbie base. We need lots of color. There's Snoopy. Clayton Tune. True Silver. I like the color. Oh. Still good. Christian Gonzalez for the Pats. Ooh, the Colts. AR, we're heating it up.
I don't think you hit one last time.
We're running. We're hitting them now. I might have hit a. No, I didn't. Michael Mayer. Kendre Miller. Of course, Channer. Sean Clifford. Patch. Emmanuel Forbes. Rashee Rice. Harold Landry. Silver. 2 base on the back. Rookie Phenom. Marvin Mims. Yeah.
Meet Asana, a work management platform that helps companies get more done and save more time. Teams can stay connected while they track updates and visualize timelines. Asana, a smarter way to
The patch is in a weird spot then, because I thought it was like top pack. Jonathan Mingo. Rashawn Johnson. Trey Tucker. Got a chain reaction in here. Blackman. Vahoko. For the Falcons, come on, Bijan. Bijan Robinson. Chain reaction. There we go for the Falcons. What a good first box, right? Bijan, AR, Stroud. Makes me feel good about it. Who's the downtown gonna be though? When will we see it?
Jerry Rice.
Jerry Rice.
Calling boxes A.
Calling boxes, yeah. Chad Ryland. It'll make a good video. Jack Campbell, True Silver. Joey Porter Jr. going to the Steelers. Were the Steelers, did Carter buy the Steelers again? I don't know.
It's DT.
Steelers or Shaker?
Joey Porter. Retro Series, Peyton Manning. There we go. Tank Dell. Garrett Williams. It's a Tank Dell hyper. What a shame. What a shame. Trey Tucker with his teammate right behind him.
Close, right, Kim. Keep on that track. I haven't seen any downtowns come out of the mega boxes.
Huh. Well, hopefully that's today, because this was a full case. A captain in charge, Jalen Hurts. Did they forget and accidentally pack him in all of the blasters? Tyreek Stevenson. Sean Clifford. Garrett Williams on the blue hyper. Alright, patch. Aiden O'Connell. We're just going to go right into it. Tyson Bagent. Joey B. True Silver. Rookie Phenom. I like it. I like it a lot. They didn't hit shit last time. Bijan Robinson, Rookie Phenom. What does it say? There's a card on the back.
Let's go.
Let's just get it out of the way, right? Let's just get the downtown out of the way. No need to sweat it. Panini wrote on the box that there's a downtown in here, so let's do it. This is the second pack again. It wasn't the first, it was the second. That's weird.
Did I miss a lot?
No. This is the third box. Rashee Rice. Jonathan Mingo. True Silver for the Eagles. DeAndre Swift. Come on. Can't get my fingers on it. That card's cut short. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. Or the other one's cut tall. Like I can't. There. Jesus. Oh, of course. DTR for the Browns.
Another patch?
The fuck? The hell?
And it wasn't the top?
It wasn't the
I
top.
apologize. What teams did I buy?
And they're not. It's not sorted in here correctly either.
Pats.
The Patriots. I know he already hit something decent. Mapu. When it's weird. When it's weird, it's good.
No, I did.
When it's oh, I thought it was him. Oh, I was gonna say when it's weird, it's good. And we're back to Sandy packs.
And you know who?
And the Cardinals again. Wow. I thought when it was weird, it was really good, but weird is just weird.
Well, there's 2 patches in one box.
So far, we're not even done with the box. Okay, there's not a patch in here. But is there an auto, maybe? Maybe did they mess up? Really mess up.
Panini always keeps you guessing.
Yeah, Drew Sanders. Rashawn Johnson, True Silver. Eagles. Jalen Carter.
Is this from yesterday?
Yes.
Am I in this one?
Enough said, this is the one from last night. I don't think
Nuff said anything.
You're not in this one, enough said. Joey Porter Jr. Tank Dell.
Unless he bought on the...
Chain reaction for the Jets. God, you basically give that team away. Aaron Rodgers. There we go. The slight chance you... Oh, and the base. Slight chance you might actually get
Very
one.
cool. Thanks.
You're welcome. Enough said. We're going to try to get some more optic this week. We'll see what happens. Garrett Williams. Trey Tucker. Puka Nakua for Tuffy. There we go. He may not be in here, but Puka. I think. Okay. Like, it felt kind of thick even when I moved it. Tyreek Stevenson. Christian Gonzalez, True Silver again. Demario Douglas. Yeah, that was a banger right there. Demario Douglas.
Yes, here.
Did the second patch take precedence over the downtown? No.
No?
That patch goes for $7.
Nice. The Bijan?
Or Michael Wilson.
I'm guessing he's talking about the Bijan one.
Or DTR.
Keontae Mitchell. Aiden O'Connell, True Silver, rated rookie. There we go. And a Felix behind him. I don't think I could learn how to hold the cards with this hand and pull them off like that. No, no shot.
Oh, this. Because I'm over here.
Yeah. Quentin Johnson. Charlie Jones. Chain reaction for the Dolphins. Tyreek Hill. Tyreek Hill. Tommy DeVito, Sam Laporta, DJ Johnson, should have been Bryce Young. Should have been Bryce. And then we got a bunch of shipping to do. Zach Charbonnet. Tyson Bagent. Times 2. That and on the primary colors.
Bagent.
Bagent. Tank Bigsby. Huh? Bagent, maybe? I don't know. It read it. Got a print line. Jordan Addison. Darn print lines. Alright, can we get an auto at some point in this box?
Bagent.
Bagent. Oh, Bagent. I think that's what he was trying to get it to say. Wicks. True Silver. Here we go. Mark Andrews. Andrews. All right. Rookie phenom for Schoonemaker. Yep. Luke Schoonemaker. Luke Schoonemaker. Okay. The Panthers have been cold. The Texans have cooled off from that very quick fast and in a hurry start they got off to.
Top right is DT.
Top right, got it. We'll hit that one next.
CJ Star DT. Thanks, Lord.
Yep. Coming right up. Felix. Marvin Mims, True Silver. Emmanuel Forbes. Chain reaction again? There's a lot of chain reactions in this half. No. Diamond Hands. Travis Kelce. Travis Kelce, Diamond Hands. Going to Ruger. Ruger with the Travis Kelce Diamond Hands. Sometimes these packs are just obnoxious on how they rip. Mozzie Smith. Broderick Jones. Chiefs again. Rashee Rice. Rashee Rice. Tucker Kraft. Jake Bubbo, also for Ruger. True Silver. Puka Nacua on the Hidden Potential. BJ Ojulari. Zay Flowers. Oh, Jonathan Mingo. Come on, Bryce Young. Where is Bryce? And what's next? I'm going to see fucking Tyjae Spears before I see Will Levis? Probably.
Now that you said it.
Yeah, because I can't shake the guy. I don't know what that is. Luke Musgrave. I mean, if you just talk into existence, maybe he'll show up. He's like Joe Hendry. If you say his name, he will appear. Maybe. Josh Jacobs. Oh. I thought it was Joey B for a second. Chris Brown, Chase Brown, not Chris Brown. Chase Brown. Last team taken. That's what, 2 patches now? Or a patch and a decent card. Couple good hits. Oh yeah, we're going downtown, right? Where Douglas thinks we're going. Girls, huh? I'm tired of hitting the patch last. I'm gonna hit it first. Oh, I lied. It's not in this one. Damn. Wait. When it's weird, it's good. I took 2 base off the front. There's a 3rd base. Marvin Mims. Garrett Williams. Brandon Aubrey. Jesus. That was a weird pack in general. Maybe we don't have an... Maybe it's an auto. Maybe it's an auto. Why do we got 3 base on the front again? I'm not understanding it. Jake Bobo. Will Anderson. Wow. Play action. Patrick Mahomes silver. Going to Ruger. That's a lot of silver to fingerprint up. Just so you know. You're picking up what I'm putting down.
I didn't touch it.
Oh! That's why it's weird.
Repeat.
I know, I was going to the second card. It's a Blazers. It's a Blazers.
Well, I was close, Lord.
Devontae Adams on the Blazers. I mean, I don't know if... I think it's still possible to hit a downtown, but... I don't think it's likely. Wilson. Another Wilson. Just the wrong guy. And a Nolan Smith.
You have extra in that one too?
I just think... Well, I think it was the laser throwing everything off. In the whole box. DJ Turner. Trey Tucker, true silver. Bijan, light it up. Light it up, Bijan. And if that's a patch, it was in a weird spot compared to the rest of the boxes. Jake Haener. Douglas. Luke Van Ness. Blue Hyper 4. Channer again. Yeah, so the patch, it's a patch. It was just in a weird spot. Because of the Blazers. Aiden O'Connell. Oh. Tyson. Badgett. Luke Kuechly. True silver. He'll love it. He will love it. He'll love it. He'll be so happy to have hit a Jordan Love patch, which has got some kind of bad stuff on the side, but well, the bonus points goes to Douglas because he said that was going to be the box, and it kind of was. Like, I had a case of it. Not the downtown case of it. But we're back. Back to patches on the back. How do we go through a whole case with no auto? Is what I want to know, Panini. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know what color that was. Is that orange scope? Is that orange scope? For the Cardinals, of course. Clayton Tune, orange scope to 79. 5 of 79. I'm pretty sure, didn't I give somebody the Cardinals for free?
Yeah.
Like they bought, yeah.
That one.
They bought a team and I basically gave it to them for free.
All the last.
Yeah, wow. Orange scope to 79. Nice. Yeah, they're in my thing. Got a Jake Haener True Silver too. Oh, back to back for the Saints. Very nice. Beautiful. Out of focus, but we tried. All right, Cedric Tillman, Jalen Carter, Johnny Manziel on the Retro Series. The fact that he's in this set is wild. Puka Nacua for Tuffy. Clancy, or Cansey. Luke Musgrave, of course. I'd hate for Chandler to not take every single card in the set. This kind of feels thin.
Don't peek. Quit peeking.
I'm counting. I thought there were less cards in there. Tyler Lacey, Douglas, passing grade, Jalen Hurts. I'm sure that's getting annoying on stream, but I have to do it. Like whistle through my tooth. Hendon Hooker. God damn it. And you wonder why I cry myself to sleep at night. I thought that was Tyjae Spears. I did. I thought for 100% that was Tyjae Spears coming to haunt me. Will Levis. Will Levis. There we go. Well, any Levis color is going to be good for the Texans. Wow, it's weird. Patty Mahomes is on the front and DeAndre Swift is on the back. It's almost like his Taylor Swift's brother is on the back there. Robinson, all right, True Silver. For the Chargers, Mike Williams, rookie phenom for the Colts. For the Colts, Anthony Richardson on the rookie phenom patch. These boxes haven't been bad.
Though you really don't like me getting Texans, do you, for Andra too?
Yeah, we need some.
You came out real hot. Real fucking hot. Like, scorching hot.
We're hitting Anthony Richardson.
Alright, come on.
Now we need Stroud.
Show us. I don't even have a Jackson Smith and Jigba yet.
No.
I swear to God, we cannot go an entire case without an auto. That's just ridiculous, Panini.
One is CJ Doc, not that hot.
Not hot. Okay. It was hotter than it has been. Sauce Gardner True Silver. God damn it. I mean, it's the Texans. You still get it. It's just not who you want. Tank Dell. That's like in 2020 ripping Prism Basketball and hitting a the hell was his name? Riddler? No, I don't know. Hey, there's a Will Anderson True Silver. That would have really done a lot for you too. Riller. Garrett, well, fuck, I don't know. Why am I talking about it?
Because we're trying to think of it. You can't. That's pissing me off.
Luke Van Ness. There's Ty J. My House. Who's the My House going to be? Hands in the air like that. I've only seen one card with their hands up like that. And that's Will Levis.
Okay, I think we've hit our Will Levis.
Will Levis. Silver My House. Alright. Come on, CJ. Give me a pep talk,
Looks
CJ.
like he's gonna do the DX.
Yeah. Come on. It's your turn. CJ. Okay, we had to hit Bryce first. We forgot Bryce.
Oh, yeah.
We had to hit Bryce. Bryce Young. Fajoko. Come on. CJ. I know you can do it. I know you can do it, CJ. Jaron Hall. Michael Wilson. Come on.
Oh,
Bijan. On the rookie recruits. You know, I had high hopes as soon as we opened that first box and we hit CJ base right out the gate.
All Bijan inserts.
Yeah. Luke Schoonemaker. Brenton Strange. Steelers. Darnell Washington. Come on, CJ. Douglas, which box is the next CJ Stroud in? So we can just cut to the chase. And I can stop dodging it.
Middle.
Okay. Thanks. Appreciate it. I needed to know which one so I don't open the wrong one again. Come on, Panini. What? At it again. No autos yet. DTR. True Silver. Tyree Wilson. Fuck it. He's on fire.
See, we just talked.
I'll just ask you from now on. You wanna buy the boxes?
Yawn, ha 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 ha.
You wanna buy the boxes for me too, so then I know exactly which ones have like the good shit?
When's the last time I went to yoga class? Hey Erica, did my membership increase? When your questions about life turn into questions about money, there's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter. Only thing I can imagine.
Damn. There we go. I think you're paid now.
Absolutely. Then you buy it from your lawn.
Ringo, Jaden Reed, Best Tutties, Dolphins, Tyreek, and Jalen Waddle. Those are so nice. Best Tutties.
That's a cool card.
Yeah. I think they're new inserts this year because I've never seen Best Tutties before. Rocket emoji! Okay, first and foremost, show me a rookie. Ah, you horse. Who do we want for the Lions that's not a rookie? Goffy Waffy. Yeah! Goffy Waffy! XJK would be so happy.
Nice.
Rocket ship emoji. And a Clayton Tune Blue Hyper. I like it. I like this box, Douglas. Now, can you tell me what's in the next one?
Then slab it and bring to Detroit.
You'll slab it and bring it to Detroit? Dorian Williams. DJ Turner, True Silver rookie. There we go. Patty Mahomes, light it up for Roogs.
Next one will have a race car rice patch. Chiefs did well.
Oh, race car back patch. Devon Aitchen, Witherspoon, Mayer on the Blue Hyper. Trenton Simpson. Stenson Bennett. Here we go. Come on, True Silver. Russell. Dolphins. Whoo! Tua Tagovailoa. The patch is in there, not the best, but. And the centering is horrendous, but. Tua tags.
Oh, Jesus.
Who cut that card? Stevie Wonder? Jesus Christ. New guy on shift. Just close your eyes and cut it. Huh? Alright, last box magic. Last box magic. First check. Auto? No. So we go an entire case without... Unless we hit it in that first fiver.
We had no.
No, because I've got it over there.
We have no option.
So we have no autos in an entire fucking case of megas. Why? 2 scopes, though. 2 orange scopes. Oh, shit. Show me rookie. No. Bobby Wagner to 79 for Ruger. 74 of 79. That's so close to being, would have been his number. Ruger with the number. $74 of 79 for the Seahawks. Dang. True silver. Luke Musgrave. True silver. Damn. And a Witherspoon. Also going. That whole pack, except for the one base rookie card, went to either Channer or Ruger.
Matt, new me? When's the last time I went to yoga class? Hey, Erica. Did my
That whole pack was Channer and Ruger.
There's Erica, the virtual financial assistant to help you spend, save, and plan smarter. Only from Bank of America. What would you like?
Byron Young. Cedric Tillman.
Lord, oh my God, Green Bay had every rookie possible in this break.
Right? DeMarcus Ware. Retro Series. Considering the same person has bought Green Bay in all of this entire case, he's doing pretty good. Puka Nakua. I think that's couple 3, 4 for Tuffy now. Anton Harrison. Hot and her. True silver in this one. I like the color on it. Am I going to be plagued by him? Which one is that? Show me the Will Levis one. He's further down. No, not that one. Fuck. It was further down than that. We hit a Will Levis base. Yep, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Oh, yeah. Will Levis, true silver, and I like who's right behind him. Can I get a sleeve and a top loader?
Yeah,
I like who's right behind him. I'm covering it. You can't see it.
I can.
You can't, though.
I'll get another sleeve ready.
You can do that one. Bryce Young on the passing grade. There we go. All right, CJ. Come on, CJ. Douglas has 2 teams, right?
Texans, Vikings, and Browns.
Oh, he does. Oh, yeah, I gave him the Browns. So right now we're hoping
But he had that D2.
it saves him here.
He had that D2
Oh, that's true.
patch.
Never cover CJ with a Levi's. That's blasphemy, Lord.
But did you know there's a YouTube app where you can listen to rare covers of your favorite artists?
I still think you're paid.
Music Premium.
I mean, I think we did pretty solid. Bryce Young is really lacking right now. I will give him that. Witherspoon. Anton Harrison. Derwin James Jr. Come on. Rookie phenom. Oh, saved by the bell. For Ruger. Oh, it's Chabernet. I thought it would be fucking Jackson Smith and Jigba. I think the only one who really kind of missed We hit a couple Bryce Youngs. I mean, I don't know.
Thanks for 100. You're definitely better than others, brother.
Yeah. What are those?
Other ones?
Oh, from this?
Yeah.
I'm not going to say them all. I'm just going to go through them.
I don't have enough room over here.
Oh, Clayton too. Those are nice. I love touchdown tutties. Those are cool. What's that?
I just refreshed the homepage.
Okay, Bryce Young, pull him out. Will Levis, pull him out. Just so we can see, like, the main hitters, like the most expensive teams, you know what I mean?
That's shitty.
What's that? That scratch? Byron Young? Oh, it's a base rookie at least.
I just felt it putting it in the sleeve.
Puka. I mean, I don't think Tanner can ask for much more. Bijan. I think Ruger did really well, honestly. Mingo, Zay Flowers, Puka, AR. I think we only did hit that AR though. Who bought the Colts? It's that person in the shop. Is Poke in here? There's a Puka collar.
Gonna run it back.
I don't have another case. I have contendies. If anybody wants to run contendies, and it'll be significantly more it'll be significantly cheaper. I mean, I have essentially a full case of that. Yeah, that's Willis nice. CJ. There's our case hit. The Blazer. So the Raiders did really well there. And those two.
Which is my new.
Raiders? Damn. So, if anybody needs help, it's probably the Panthers. Because the Titans did well. They did pretty well. I mean, it could have been way worse. Who has the Panthers?
Shay Cry. He had the Panthers, Dolphins, Steelers, Jets, Jags, Bears.
Okay. Yeah. There's Poke. I ain't afraid to show it. I mean, I could throw. Nobody wants to dome one of these megas, do they?
Yeah, you could do some. 3 and then.
Nobody wants to dome one of these, do they?
used. Oh. I do too.
I'm just trying to think of how I want to do it.
I mean, you could throw in 2 maybe. And 10 contender.
There's only 3 people in here now. I'll make a video and figure it out. Appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.